This Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Pepe crypto on the Kraken application. So once you open up Kraken, just go to the bottom bar and press on the explore icon. Then at the top, press on search, type in PEPE or Pepe. Once you see Pepe coin or Pepe crypto, go to the top and press on that. Then on this page, go to the bottom and press on buy Pepe. Once you're here, type in the amount you're looking to buy. So for this demonstration, if I wanted to buy $20 worth, I'll press on 20. And then to proceed to the next step, press on the purple arrow. Then on this page, you can see how much you're purchasing, the price, the fee, the total. If all looks good, you want to proceed, press I understand, and then the purple confirmation button to follow the next steps. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Pepe crypto on the Kraken application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.